My sea-told memories of a travelogue about Hyderabad, the capital of two states, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Both cities, Hyderabad and Secunderabad, are collectively known as Hyderabad and together form the fifth largest metropolis in India. From 1956 to 2014, Hyderabad was capital of Andhra Pradesh state. With the cremation of Telangana state from Andhra Pradesh in 2014, it was re-designated as the capital of both states. Both states. The Charminar is in the old city of Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Hyderabad is located on the east bank of the Musi River, in the heart of the Telangana Plateau, a major upland region of the Deccan. Opposite side of the Hussain Sagar Lake is Secunderabad. Most rain falls during the wet monsoon months of June to October. Hyderabad was founded by the Qutb Shahi Sultan of Golconda in 1591. Muhammad Qali Qutb Shah, the fifth of the Qutb Shahs, built a new city called Hyderabad. Charminar, a grand architectural composition in Indo-Sarkasic style with open arches and four minarets, is regraded as the supreme achievement of the Qutb Shah period. It formed the counterpiece around which the city was planned. The Mecca Mosque, which was built later, can accommodate 20,000 people. In 2007, the mosque was attacked by bombing. Several Muslims killed and several injured. In 16th century, Golconda Fort, Telangana, India, built during the Qutb Shahi dynasty in 1518 and 1687. The Mughals conquered Hyderabad in 1685. In 1724, Asaf Jah Nizam al-Mulk, the Mughal viceroy of the Deccan, declared independence. After independence in 1947, India government intervened in September 1948. In 1950, the Andhra Pradesh state formed with Hyderabad as capital, and in 2014 Telangana state was formed. It was agreed that Hyderabad would act as a capital of both states for a period of 10 years to allow the Andhra Pradesh time to build its own capital. Hyderabad has become a hub of trade and commerce and an international center for information technology. Pharmaceuticals, cigarettes and textiles are among the items manufactured there. The city has long been associated with the production of Telugu language films, which gave rise to its nickname Tollywood. The tourism has grown in significance. Hyderabad has good intercity transport facilities. There are good rail and air services to Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, and Bangalore. The famous airport is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad. The Hyderabad Deccan railway station, popularly known as Nellam Namballi station with 6 platforms, opened in 1907. Taxis, auto rickshaws, cycle rickshaws, private vehicles and suburban buses, rail services provide local transport. There are many bus stations, bus stops, bus depots, bus terminal extra in Hyderabad. In 1918, the Nizam established the famous Osmania University, and it is now one of the best universities in India. The University of Hyderabad was established in 1974. The public auditorium Ravindra Bharati provides a venue for dance and music festivals. There are several museums including Salar Jung Museum, established 1951, which has a unique collection of rare pieces of including jade, jewelry, painting and furniture. Many parks and the large parade grounds in Secunderabad offer space for play and relaxation. The language is Telugu. People use Urdu and Hindi also. The famous rivers Godavari and Krishna make up the central part of plains as an area of fertile alluvial soil. About the fifth of the state total area is forest covered with dense woodlands in the eastern Ghats. In the forest, there are tigers, black bucks, hyenas, sloth bears, gaurs, and chital. The Venkateswara Swami temple at Tirumala near Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, India. The majority of the people in Andhra Pradesh practice Hinduism. Smaller community of the population follows Islam or Christianity. The main cities in Andhra Pradesh are Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada in the north east. Other cities are Guntur, Kurnool and Rajamundry. We can buy pearls from Hyderabad, Hyderabadi bangles, Gongura pickles, Pochambali sarees, Banjara embroidery, Hyderabadi biryani, Golconda paintings, attar or perfumes, Bidri orchestra. Hyderabad, Hussain Lake, high-tech city is 158 acre. Then pulihora or tamarind rice along with green chilies is the most popular food in Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam, also known as Vishag, is one of the oldest port cities in the country. It is situated in the heart of the Andhra Pradesh. The important tourist centers to see in Hyderabad, Golconda Fort, also known as Golconda, is a fortified citadel and an early capital city of Qutub Shahi dynasty located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Because of the vicinity of diamond mines, especially Kolar mine, Golconda flourished as the trade center of large diamonds known as the Golconda diamonds. We can see many techniques used in the construction of the fort. From the entrance of the fort, if we clapped, the echo will be heard after 1 kilometer where the fort is situated, so that if the enemy enters in the fort, securities make sounds and the army at the fort are ready to fight. Then all the rooms of the fort was cooled by water through the pipes inside the wall of rooms. For the work, the prisoners were used. There are many secret tunnels to go to the many rooms of the fort and outside the fort. There is a light show daily on 6:45 to 7:30 p.m. in English. In the show, they describe the details about the fort and its history. We can see old Hyderabad city from the top of Golconda Fort. Charminar, constructed in 1591, 14-meter height, 140 steps, is a monument and a mosque located in Hyderabad. It is a landmark known globally as a symbol of Hyderabad. Sultan Muhammad Qali Qutb Shah built it. It is Indo-Islamic architecture. It is made of granite, limestone, mortar and marble. It is a great place for a variety of shopping and at affordable price and street food. Hussain Sagar Lake is a man-made lake in the heart-shaped lake in Hyderabad, built by Ibrahim Qali Qutb Shah in 1563. It is spread across an area of 5.7 square kilometers and is fed by the river Musi. A large monolithic statue of the Gautama Buddha, 18 feet high, erected in 1992, stands on the rock, Gibraltar Rock, in the middle of the lake. Tourists can boating till 9 p.m. in the lake. Salar Jung Museum is an art museum located at the Darul Islam on the southern bank of the Musi River, Hyderabad. It is one of the 3 national museums of India. It is founded by Government of India. Chawla Maha Palace is the palace of the Nizams of Hyderabad. It was the seat of Asaf Jani dynasty and was official residence of the Nizams of Hyderabad while they ruled the state. Birla Mandir is a hilltop white marble Hindu temple built on a 280 feet high hillock called Nanubad Pahad on a 13-acre plot. The construction took 10 years and was opened in 1976 by Swami Rangadananda of Ramakrishna Mission. Qutb Shahi tomb is domed tombs of dynasty rulers and gardens. It is located in the Ibrahim Bagh, close to the Golconda Fort in Hyderabad. The galleries of the smaller tombs are on a single story, while the larger ones are two-storied, opened in 1543. Lumbini Park is a lush lake front park with boat rides. It is a small urban park of 7.5 acres near to Hussain Sagar Lake in Hyderabad. Boating is one of the best part and people go to the Buddha ideal placed in middle of the lane. Then the Ramoji Film City Main Road, Hyderabad is an integrated film studio complex located in Hyderabad. It is spread over 1,666 acres. It is the largest integrated film city in the world. It is recorded and certified by the Guinness World Records as the largest studio complex in the world. The owner and founder is Ramoji Rao. It is founded in 1996. In one day, we can see all the parts of the studio. All types of settings are there: railway station, airport, court, police station, palace, mountain, ponds, gardens, rivers, battlefields for soldiers, town, hospital, streets, extra. Daily, many languages films are shooting from here. We can watch the shows how films are made. There are many hotels, restaurants inside the film city. There are many washrooms. The entry time 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Visiting are 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Entry fee for adult is 1,150. Child's 950. There are 4 types of colored buses there. And Nehru Zoological Park is the next place to visit.